morning, everyone. I am Mojesh from grade 9. Today I am going to explain about my goal, career goal. It is nothing but archaeologist. What is archaeology? An archaeologist is someone who tries to figure out what the life is in the ancient past by looking by the remains of the ancient people, the fossils, and the artifacts. For archaeologists, to explore the land first. For the site is a place which is archaeologists wish to explore. Is called a site. Finding a site. They check out the proper reports of artifacts that have been discovered. Artifacts discovered by the farmers and construction companies while working at their jobs. They check the landforms and the air looking for the large depressions that be the ruins of an ancient living area. There must be instruments like radar and sonar for look for rains. Permission to dig. For exploring the land, we need permission of the landowner. After getting the land permission, we use the archaeologists go in a team and works. Before beginning the digging, archaeologists design a grid on the ground using a rope and a string. Each square in a grid must be carefully searched. A record must be kept of anything round, including what was found next to it. You see this this is the example of this. These are the top 10 colleges in India for the course for archaeology. And these are the top 10 universities for archaeologists. Thank you.